Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, variable speed, intermittent wipers, brake assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.